When the leaves begin to fall and the cold winds blow, it's time to prepare your home for the winter months to come. The following tips can help keep your house cozy and energy efficient through the winter season. Before snow starts falling, give your snowblower a checkup and fill it with fresh gas, unless it's electric. To keep your exterior door locks from freezing or sticking in extreme cold, consider spraying them with powdered graphite lubricant. To keep pipes from freezing and bursting, you may need to shut off the water to exterior faucets and drain the lines. Also consider insulating any pipes near the exterior walls of your home or in unheated areas like a garage. Now it's time to move your winter prep efforts inside. Start with the chimney. To help reduce the risk of fire or carbon monoxide buildup, you may want to get it inspected and cleaned by a professional. Your ceiling fans can help circulate warm air down from the ceiling in the winter. Just switch the direction of the ceiling fan blades to spin clockwise and run on a low speed. Before you begin using your furnace on a daily basis, consult a technician for a tune-up. This may help prolong the furnace's life and save you money. For more tips on how to get your home ready for winter, visit allstate.com/blog.